Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our invoice and signature request coming chat message for tax prep. First thing you want to do is click Get for Free, and then you're going to want to go over here to Firm Templates, and then you're going to go to Chats. Then you're going to go ahead and want to open that template to see everything that is included. First, you're going to have your template name, which is not visible by the client, so you can name it whatever you would like. Then you have your From section. You can choose yourself or any of your firm members. Your thread assignee is going to be the person who receives any responses to this message in their inbox plus, and then they'll be the ones that will respond to the clients. You have your subject, which is going to be seen by your clients. And then you have your content of the message. You're able to change any of this to meet your satisfaction. And once you've done that, go ahead and click Save and Exit. And this is normally going to be part of your pipeline, but you can send it as a one-time message by going to New and then Chat, selecting your client, and then selecting the correct template. And now you can see that you've got the subject and the content of your message. You're able to select reminders here if you did not select reminders as part of your template. Then you're going to go ahead and click Create Chat, which is going to send this chat message to your client. You're also able to send it in bulk by going to Clients, which is going to pull up your account page. You can select the checkbox up here, or you can select randomly through your list to select whoever you need to send the message to. And then you'll go to More Actions and click Send Message. Once you have that pulled up, you're going to go ahead and select the correct template you need. And again, you're going to see your subject and then content of your message. If you have selected your whole list, you're going to see that is here at the top that it's going to send to a certain amount of people. So you will not see the breakdown of each of the names. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.